Hello and welcome to the case management demo. Okay, so we have a dashboard for cases, so we'll just click on that. This shows us all the actually outstanding cases we have on the system at the moment across all customers. So we have a little traffic light along here to, if it's within SLA it's green, if it's halfway between being halfway between SLA and being overdue, it's amber, and it's red if it's over. Yeah. This is a way of viewing everything that's outstanding. If I look at a particular customer, yeah, and look at each customer record has a cases dashboard, and within that you can then see, when you look at the customer, their specific cases that are actually outstanding as well. So okay, so while we're on the subject of SLA, yeah, let's go to setup, yeah, and we can specify on the system SLA holidays. Yeah, so what you do is you put in here your holiday dates, yeah, okay, and then what you do is you also then tell the system what your working week is. Yeah, so if I say, well, my working week is Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, we work from 9 till 5 or whatever. Yeah, when we actually do an activity, we say, so many working hours. It knows what our working hours are. So if I look at a service level agreement, yeah, I cover as many as I want to, but I have a default one which uses the default business calendar and the default holiday calendar, and it's 8 working hours. Okay, so if we kind of log a new case, yeah, and we say it's a case, and we say, I don't know, network down or something, yeah, and we say toy customer, yeah, and what will happen is, yeah, it'll take the date and time right now. Yeah, it knows that we work tomorrow. Yeah, so it knows we work up till 5 o'clock or whatever the service level agreement is. Yeah, so it's added the 8 working hours to it to say, well, by the 27th tomorrow, yeah, at 15:47, we should have resolved that, because that's 8 working hours. So if we logged it on a Friday at 11 o'clock, it knew we don't work Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah, so it would be Monday. Yeah, at 11 o'clock, which would be the due date. Okay, so we've got a subject here, got lots of other fields, who's it assigned to, is there a team assigned to it, what category is it linked to a service contract, what's the problem, yeah, okay, well this is where we can detail that the network down, server not rebooting or something, yeah, okay, we can also identify specific items, yeah, that are linked to this problem. If we were punching this out straight away, yeah, we'd actually solved it on the phone or whatever. We can also put a solution in here, yeah, and at the point where so we have a due date. Okay, so at the point where I actually say this is complete, yeah, it'll put an end date in. So then we can see, for performance purposes, how much over our due date and time did we actually sort this out, or how much under. Yeah, so we know in here we log all our calls via the case management system. I know that 96% is dealt with within the SLA. Yeah, and a good proportion of that, yeah, is actually done, well under that. Yeah, so okay, so this is the actual activity. So I'm going to leave it as an outstanding activity. Save and close. Yeah, and what you'll see is at the top here, you've now got a green one. Yeah, which is that one we just logged. Yeah, because it's obviously not even halfway through the SLA yet. Okay, so that's case management. Yeah, we also have filters, obviously. Yeah, we can just filter the list, between just yours or other teams. Yeah, and you can also reassign these to different people. You can just get rid of the chart as well. Yeah, and just have a list. Yeah, and things like you can look at the actual chart by SLA if you wanted to. How many within SLA, how many are without. Yeah, but it's a good way to manage complaints. Yeah, or problems, yeah, so they don't get lost. Yeah, if a customer calls up, yeah, you can see all the outstanding cases and problems on their accounts. You can sort of regurgitate that to them, and then they know that you've got good communication and you've not lost their problem or inquiry, or complaint, and you know what the resolution is. Okay, thanks very much.